If you want to reset AirPods Pro free from previous owner, you will have to input both of them inside that charging case, just like that. You have to also make sure that you charge them at least for like 5 or 10 minutes. Now you will have to close this charging case, and right now, when indicator disappear, we'll have to open it and quickly start tapping 2 times, 2 times, and 2 times to enter for the reset option. So let me just show you. Open it and keep tapping on the indicator 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, and 2 times. And now this light will turn red, but now for some reason it just disappears, so we have to repeat. 1, 2. Okay, now as you can see, the reset is on the way. For some reason there was some kind of the bug, but when we close it and reopen, now the reset is on the way. But it actually takes too much time. Yeah, definitely, because as default, it's just blinking for like 3 or 4 times. Now it's just keep blinking over and over. So we have to just close it, wait a while, open it, input them inside the charging case like that, and just repeat. Okay, as you can see now we got the white light and we are in the pairing mode. So we can just simply connect them again and the reset is complete. So if you've got this issue, just be patient and do what I do.